Soft finger picking paired with subtle ambient wind, a gentle invitation into the woods.
You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio, where mellow rhythms guide you down quiet forest paths. Up next is Golden Trail, a warm, earthy tune for unhurried walks beneath autumn trees.
Sunlight spills on amber ground, step a softer sound. Branches arch and gently sway, marking time in their own way. Golden trail winding slow, where my restless thoughts can go. No destination, no demand, just the quiet open land. Boots on moss, heart in hand, breathing deep, I understand that peace is not a place to find, but something woven through the pines. Golden trail winding slow, where my restless thoughts can go. No destination, no demand, just the quiet open land. Let the moment linger long, like a half-remembered song. Every leaf and every breeze, a gentle kind of remedy. Golden trail, stay with me in my mind when I can't be among the trees beneath the sky, where autumn walks and worries die.
That was Golden Trail, a song for those who walk slowly, not to reach the end, but to feel every step. Thanks for sharing the trail. This is Wanderfolk Radio.
You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio, where soft thumb eyes meet the hush of falling seasons. Up next is Whispers in the Wind, an ambient folk piece for quiet walks and open thoughts. Whispers in the wind, whispers in the wind, soft steps through fields of gold, stories in the air, untold, a sigh between the autumn trees, carried far on cooling breeze. Whispers in the wind, calling low, words I once heard long ago. They don't speak loud, but but still they stay, guiding gently, day by day. Branches bend with quiet grace, like time that slows its hurried pace. Every leaf that drifts and spins joins the song the air begins. Whispers in the wind, soft and clear, not quite far, not quite near. They echo where the silence clings, in the space between all things. No need to answer, just to feel what's silent often speaks most real. I walk and listen, slow and true. The wind says things I never knew. Whispers in the wind, always there, moving through the open air. They find me when I feel alone, and turn the forest into home. That was Whispers in the Wind, a song for inner stillness and soft moments shared with the trees. Thanks for walking with us. This is Wanderfolk Radio.
Golden rays on wooden trails, morning mist and softened tales. Every branch a painted line, a fleeting glimpse of something kind. October light, so soft, so wide, a quiet warmth I hold inside. Through rustling leaves and amber skies, I breathe beneath your watchful light. No words are spoken, none are due. The forest hums its song so true. The world slows down, the shadows play. time just gently slips away. October light, it finds my face in every still and open space. I walk in peace, I feel the air, and know the moment's truly there. This kind of light is warmth to hold, not just in sky, but deep within, a place where all good things begin. October light, forever brief, but bright enough to bring relief. I carry you past autumn's day, a golden thread that guides my way.
That was October light, a soft reflection of warmth and transition. Thanks for sharing this quiet moment with us. You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio.
You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio, where every note feels like a new beginning. Up next is the path ahead, a hopeful acoustic piece for letting go and moving forward.
One foot down on softened trail, leaves behind a quiet tale. Golden light through branches bent, a journey started not yet spent. The path ahead is winding slow, but filled with light I've come to know. Each step a choice, each breath a guide. With open heart I walk in stride. Falling leaves and small heartaches, but in the hush I hear it clear. A brighter sound is drawing near.
return, I come to see the way ahead begins in me. That was the path ahead. A reminder that even the softest steps can move you forward. Thanks for walking beside us. This is Wanderfolk Radio.
Listening to Wanderfolk Radio, where golden canopies and delicate strings meet quiet wonder. Up next is Beneath the Birch Canopy, a soft and cinematic track for slow walks and thoughtful pauses. Beneath the birch canopy, whispers float from branch to bark. Sunlight sketching subtle marks. Footsteps hushed in amber glow, where only drifting thoughts can go. Beneath the birch canopy, time dissolves so quietly. In every leaf a memory, falling slow, setting me free. Shadows stretch in golden light, painting peace on paths so wide. where I remember how to be a part of more than just the day, and let the silence guide my way. Almost beneath the birch canopy, a track for moments when the world slows down and nature speaks in silence. You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio.
You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio, where soft melodies speak what silence cannot. Up next is Steps in Silence, a minimized acoustic piece for quiet walks and unspoken thoughts. Leaves beneath my careful tread, thoughts I haven't fully said. Every step a breath, a beat, moments held where silence meets. No need to fill the open air. Some things speak just being there. The path is long, the light is thin, but still I walk alone within. Steps in silence, slow and true, each one shaped something new. No sound but rhythm, soft and deep, a memory the forest keeps. Not all peace comes with a word. Not all stories must be heard. Some are carried in the hush of fallen leaves and twilight's blush. Steps in silence, light and low, marking time in gentle flow. What's unsaid will find its way. long for those peaceful moments when words step aside. Thanks for listening. This is Wanderfolk Radio.
You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio, where acoustic textures and autumn air meet in harmony. Up next is Crackling Leaves, a lo-fi folk track that walks with you, step by step, through the falling season. Golden paths beneath my shoes, the world in quiet amber hues, each step a sound, a subtle thread of leaves that speak what's left unsaid.
Low sun casting lines of gold, stories scattered soft and old.
reminder that even the quietest steps leave behind a story. Thanks for walking with us. This is Wanderfolk Radio. You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio. Gentle sounds for thoughtful walks and turning seasons. Up next is From Branch to Ground, a graceful folk instrumental that drifts like autumn leaves, steady and serene. Drifting slow, no need to rush. The sky above, in twilight hush, each note falls soft without a sound, a melody from branch to ground. Golden arcs through open air, moments linger, weightless there, like thoughts released with no demand. They settle gently where they land. From branch to ground, the journey's light, a quiet dance in fading light. Let go, let fall, let time unbind, and find the stillness left behind. No need to hold, no need to stay. Just feel the breeze and drift away. The earth will catch what leaves the sky and turn goodbye into a From branch to ground, like nature's song, a graceful fall where we belong. In every leaf, a story spun that ends in peace when day is done. That ends in peace when day tuned in to Wanderfolk Radio.
You're listening to Wanderfolk Radio, a companion for calm reflections and golden forest trails. Up next is Return to Stillness, a slow and intimate peace that feels like stepping back into warmth after the world is quieted. Soft light on the windowsill, the quiet hum when all is still. Boots by the door, leaves in your hair, a silence only home can share. The trail behind fades into dusk, thoughts unwind like fields of rust. What once was far is now so near in every breath. The world is clear. Return to stillness. Down the weight you've carried through the town. Let every worry gently cease and trade the noise for honest peace. Candles flicker, shadows lean. The calmest places go unseen, but here you are, and here you stay. was Return to Stillness, a track for when the journey ends and your spirit feels at rest. Until next time, thank you for walking with us here on Wanderfolk Radio.